In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix touchpad not working on Windows 11 and Windows 10. The first thing is to make sure that the touchpad is enabled, and you can only do that by right clicking on the start button down here. Then go to settings. Now in the settings, look for Bluetooth and devices on the left hand side. Tap on it and then scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see a touchpad. So click on touchpad, and the first selection here is labeled touchpad. Now on the right hand side of that, make sure that this one is on. So if you find it that it has been disabled, just make sure that you click on it to activate. Now the second way is to make sure that it is enabled. Right click on the same start button again, go to device manager, and expand on your computer name right here, and then go to mic and other pointing devices, expand on it, select any of these, and then maybe mine is labeled HID compliant mouse. Yours might be labeled something like synaptic devices. Now right click on that and make sure that this one here is enabled. So if you see it says that enable, click on it, and if you see that it is labeled disabled like this one, this one here, just leave it as it is, because it means that the touchpad is already enabled. Now if that doesn't work out, let's move to the second solution. Now the second solution is to update the touchpad driver. Right click, start button, go back to device manager, and then as usual expand on your name, the name of the PC, and go to mic and other pointing devices, and then select your touchpad driver. You can see here is HID compliant mouse. You can see also something like synaptic or ELAN. Just select on it and right click, then you click on update, then search automatic. Yeah, so you can see mine is already updated, but you can also click that and make sure that it is updated. Now if not, you can also roll back the driver, because some of these issues can be brought about when the driver is updated. So what to do is to go back to device manager here, right click on it, click on properties, and up above here select the driver tab, and you can see that we have all these buttons. Now you can see one is grayed out that says rollback driver, which means that mine has not been updated recently. So but if you find that it is active and it was recently updated, just click on it to roll back so that it goes back to the previous driver. So just close that. If that also seem not to work, let's move to the third solution, whereby we are going to search down here. Click on that, and we're going to search for control bar. Type control panel, sorry, control panel, and make sure that you select small icons. Now click on mouse, and then up above here, click on the pointer options tab right here, and then this second last option says hide pointer while typing. If your touchpad is not working and this one is checked, just click on it to uncheck that box and click apply and OK. But if you find that your touchpad is not working and this one here is unchecked, just tap on it again, click on it, and you click apply and OK, and try and see if that will solve the issue. And now if that doesn't work as well, now it's time to do what we call the power cycle trick. The power cycle trick is to shut down your laptop. You shut down your PC and then unplug the power adapter or the cable and remove the battery and any other USB devices, and then press down and hold power button for around 40 to 60 seconds, and then after that plug back the cable and then return the battery and try and restart your PC again and see if that resolves the problem. If that doesn't work as well, now this one should work. You enter into BIOS. If you don't know how to enter into BIOS, you restart your PC. You click restart or just shut down. Restart actually. And then before the laptop turns on, you double click or you repeatedly tap on the key, the function key, such as 2, F10 or delete. If you are not sure, you can Google that. Just search for how to enter BIOS on, for example, HP laptop, and you can see here it says that in order to enter the BIOS, you first of all turn off or restart and then repeatedly tap on F10. So for HP is F10, and you can also search for Lenovo. So you can see for Lenovo it is F2. Just switch off or shut down the laptop, then turn on, and before it turns on completely, repeatedly tap on F2. That's for Lenovo. And the moment it enters the BIOS, you'll see this kind of a page. Make sure that you click on the advanced and go select internal pointing devices and make sure that this one here is enabled. So you tap on enabled here. If it is disabled, just make sure that it is enabled. And I'm sure as one of those solutions might work for your PC. That's all for this tutorial, and I wish you all the best.